Last week, we were shocked to receive a judgment from the Supreme Court that in effect holds all trials conducted by military courts. Going into details, we shall discuss this in the High Command, but Your Excellency, this development is very unfortunate and quite unacceptable. It could herald a national security crisis, threatening the effective command, control, and administration of the Defense Forces. We urge Your Excellency that you address this matter as soon as you can. That said, we cannot and shall not abandon or compromise the UPDF Historical Mission under any circumstances. We are in the meantime working with the Ministry of Defense and the Attorney General to see that the necessary legislative amendments are made to address the mandate of the military court-martials. Your Excellency, despite some of these emerging challenges and the other old ones, such as corruption and misappropriation,